he is terrorist.
Hold on a second. Yo.
He's terrorist.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, Ali. Yeah, Ali. Make some noise! That's not easy.
Okay. All right, so. Oh my God. I guess it's always in New York City, right? Going to start recording now. All right, let's see how well we do. It's a little windy, so. Ooh, it's windy. I don't know how I'm gonna land back, but I'm just gonna cruise with it. Land. We're good. It's super windy, yo. Let's see how high we can get. Okay, battery. It's running low. Trying to keep it as still as possible, but it's so windy. Ooh, it's so windy. Oh, there's someone next to me? Oh, I need to land. I need to figure out how to land. Whew, thank you. Whew. Try to do one more flight if we can. Ooh, nice. Sing it. Someone is feeling Broadway. All right. Back to the streets of New York. Battery. Take it home. Still recording. Ooh, it's my new friends. Let's see. All right, we're gonna go check out a cool store. Since there was a Dragon Ball Z pop-up in American Dream Mall, New Jersey, that line was ridiculous. Like, couldn't even get in. So, It was so many people. But I want to check out this store. Hopefully there's no crazy line. Wait, is there a line here? No. Can't be a line. Line forms here. Okay. Oh, wow. I want to get this. Look at that. There we go. These stuff. They're out. I don't know if you guys can see them, but they make so many different things. Heck yeah. How much? The boy Naruto. Sorry. Wow. These are Dragon Balls. These Gundams are clean. Why is my dragon is calling me?
He is terrorist.
Hold on a second. Yo.
Terrorist.
Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna be flying indoors since it's super cold and windy out. Found a nice little nice deli. And the guy was nice enough to let me fly indoors, so we're gonna fly, baby, and yeah, let's get this going. Let's see. You guys can see me. What's up? Thank you, God, for letting me fly in here. Pass you. So cool. Yeah. Yeah. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you.
Hey, yo, don't blink. Ladies, he is single with 5 kids. Yeah. Make some noise!
All right, it's my turn.
You are here!